I greet everyone. The analytical community is in touch with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. A little further, we will study each indicator in more detail. If you want, you can put a stop. You can look at all the corporation's indicators carefully. Now we will look at the company's current performance indicators. Globalstar Inc, ticker GSAT. This review is based on current data as of May 22, 2025. According to Classification Guru, Markets company Globalstar Inc belongs to the subcategory Communication Satellite. 11 organizations take part in the comparison, which is more or less representative. See the order table at the end of this video. Result for the company under study, minus 8.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is minus 5 points. If you look broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole. Note that the average rating for the market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against the company's rating of minus 8.5 points, Globalstar Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's stock price, Globalstar Inc. and subcategory shares. We will see that in 12 months, the shares Globalstar Inc. showed a change of 1.8%. Against price changes in the subcategory, 162.8%. Market capitalization of the company Globalstar Inc. valued at $2.32 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $21 billion. Globalstar Inc. accounts for a share of 10.921%. It is one of the large companies in the subcategory. The company's book value is estimated at $0.34 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of $18 billion, the subcategory is worth $18 billion. Globalstar Inc. accounts for 1.893%. By comparing the shares of stock exchange and book value, we can see the following. Share Globalstar Inc. in the subcategory when assessing the market value is 10.921%. Book value capitalization is 1.893%, which is 83% less than the market value share. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under study has financial liabilities of $0.533 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization constitute 156.8% of the company's capital. The company's debt performance, bad, minus 1 point. The balance of the company's market value to its profit is 0, with an average in the subcategory of 0. Evaluation of the stock exchange value to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $78 million. Projected profits for the next 12 months are unknown. And this is very bad for the company's prospects. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 9.1. The average for the subcategory is 0.9, which is 911% higher than for the subcategory. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $250 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. This is bad for the company's prospects. Assessment of the expected future sales volume indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The marginality is -30.7%, with the average for the subcategory being -6.4%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 24.3%. Evaluation of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, -0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 1.483%. This is 636% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $5,958,000, while for the subcategory it is $809,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 636.5%. Evaluation of the company's capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee is -$200,300, with an average for the subcategory of -$55,300. And the difference between the average in the subcategory and the company's indicators is 262%. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, -0.5 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $653,000. In the subcategory, there are $863,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 32%. Evaluation of sales volume per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory, passable, -0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 4.5%, with an average for the subcategory of 15.4%. This is an indicator of a possible short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 42% for the company Globalstar Inc. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 46%. The actual valuation of the company's shares is approximately $18.30. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $52.49. The dynamics of the current price and the consensus forecast is equal to approximately 187%. Let's look at the order table, which is available, link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions in a given season by the information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open, link in the pinned comment. Based on the analysis of the company's securities Globalstar Inc. Reference system of assessment Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Open the trade for sale at a price of $18.31 per share. The deal is open because the company has a fairly low valuation. The company's assessment is based on the assessment method, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 14.07. Stop loss is set at 22.55. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically at the end of the trading session on June 21st, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker GILT will become the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on the channel. In case of closing one of the orders, the basic or balancing one, the second order is closed at the last price. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets. You are truly the coolest audience.